We are here to, talk about health manifestation today. How important is health, and what does it imply to actually, develop the health aspect of one's life? The most important ingredient would be gratitude. When you are grateful for anything in life and everything in life, things become easier on the emotional level, physical level, spiritual level, and mental level. So when you have gratitude and gratefulness towards your health, everything kind of eases up for you. And the more you are in the gratitude for the universe, through probably visualization, or you could also act as if you are completely healthy. So here are some ways that you can, visualize and raise your vibrations. The moment you are working out of gratitude, you will automatically work out of a beautiful magical state. It's kind of, like you have a magic wand where you can attract whatever you want, right? And it can create miracles in your life. The more you feel connected towards the source, the creator, and the more grateful and the more thankful you are towards the creator, and you get out of the melancholy state and start thinking that life is beautiful rather than life is very, uh, you know it's mundane, and everything is very slow, and life is just the way it is. There's nothing great left in life. There's nothing more positive that I can see in life. So did you know that if people have diabetes, it is because they cannot see anything sweet in life. There's nothing sweet left in life for them. And if you really want to see something great in your life, and you really wish to uh, change the way you think about your health, then our health manifestation program is just for you. Because in that, I will be taking you through four levels of clearing: at the emotional level, at the chakra level, at the akashic level, and finally at your spiritual level completely. So we are also going to do ancestral healing in that. And when you do ancestral healing, if there is some health issue which has become a part of your DNA structure, which we will be clearing in our health manifestation course, you will be able to clear that immediately. Because what goes comes from your DNA can actually be measured and mapped to your through your mindset, to your probably even from your previous lifetimes, or through your DNA structure, which can be cut off. So this is what we are going to do in the health manifestation program. And for all of that, we are going to work out of a lot of gratitude, a lot of gratefulness for the creator to have, given this kind of wisdom that you are the miracle worker, and you have the power to create and change anything and everything that you want, whether it is in your health, in your wealth, in your relationships, any zone, any area. We have covered it all, and you can actually look at how these aspects can impact your life in general, all the way right up till the end of this lifetime, right? You don't need to structure it for a day or two. You need to hold on to those mindset and that kind of change right till the end. And we bring permanent changes in your life. So this is what our health manifestation workshop is about. And since it is the freedom week, we are celebrating our freedom from all aspects of the blockages in our life and clearing all of those through our health manifestation workshop. If you have any questions for me right now, you can put it in the comments column so that I can, give you a reading, a personalized reading right now based on your date of birth and your full name. I will give you a reading of why, particularly, your health is not as appropriate as it was, or if there is anything that you want to change in your life, or if you want to know anything about your life. I am here to help you out today. So do write into the comments column and let me know if you have any questions. So by the time you do that, there was a beautiful, story that I remembered. All right. That in life, uh, there were two monks, and when these two monks were, going through the market, and there was a lady at the bank of a river, and she wanted to cross over on the other side of the bank. And the moment this is one of my favorite stories. Okay, so one of the monk says, "Okay, sister, what happened?" And she's saying, "I'm crying." She's crying away, and she's saying, "I'm very scared of this river flowing, and I'm afraid of water." So one of the other monks says, "It's okay. It's not very deep. You can cross over." She's still crying, and she says, "My family's on the other side. My child is on the other side. I really want to cross, and I'm very scared. I can't do it by myself." So the first monk says, okay, he hands over all the bags and everything to the first monk, to the other monk, and he lifts the lady up and he crosses the river. Now, once on the other side, as the monks are walking away, the other monk who was holding all the bags is really angry, very very angry, and he's frustrated, and he says, "Why would you do such a thing? Why did you carry a woman? Why did you do that?" So the monk who carried the woman to the across the river, he asks him, "So where is this woman now?" And he says, "Well, you left her at the bank of the river." So he tells him, "Then why are you still carrying her?" Similar to this, we carry all of our memories, good, bad, ugly, all of our memories, and our memories create imprints. And these imprints create your emotions, right? So, if these imprints create your emotions, which could be anger, frustration, loneliness, sadness, apathy, all of it, right? And when these emotions get stirred within you, what happens is it then releases certain kind of hormones in the body. So, if you are unable to communicate, for example, in your close relationships, you could develop a problem with your throat or with your thyroid gland because you have been unable to express. So, an expression is your through your thyroid gland. Now, if you were not able to do that, that is because you have held on to a memory that you needed to release previously and express something which happened earlier has surmounted in you not being able to express the way that you want to express. So there is a memory that has kind of crippled you and not allowed you to grow. Now, if that is the case, then you need to release that memory and you need to let that go. And today's tip is that you need to allow the universal energy to creep in and clear off all of that baggage and that debt and allow you to express any emotion that is pent up within you. So, for all of those who have, missed today's session and have not been able to ask me any questions today, this is our Freedom Week, and we will be committing to doing the health manifestation program this Saturday. And you write to us at our Empezar Wellness email address and do write to us, and you can book a one-on-one session with me as well so that you could connect with me for any questions, any queries connected to your health, wealth, relationship, any zone that you want. So I shall see you soon, and you take care of yourself. Thank you very much. Bye bye.